Welcome back everyone. So today I'll be sharing this set of nails with you. This was a set of hard gel nails. Now I'm not going to show it from beginning to end applying the hard gel. I'm just showing from when I did all the art and the color. So I just finished filing these nails and I'm wiping them with some isopropyl alcohol. And then I'm going to start by applying the first color, which is Madame Glam Carabean C, and I'll be applying 2 coats to this nail and one other nail. So on the ring finger, I'm going to be doing 2 separate colors. Now this is an e-nail couture color. I can't remember the color name offhand. I can put it down in the description if anybody would like to know what it is. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this, cure each one for 30 seconds, and then I'll be applying Madame Glam's Perfect White to the bottom of the nail. So I will be doing 2 coats of the Madame Glam Perfect White on the bottom of this nail and curing each for 30 seconds. And then once I get that done, I'll be applying some transfer foil. So now I'm using my Makartt Transfer Foil Gel. I'll have the link down in the description for where I got this. And this will cure for 60 seconds. And then the transfer foil I will be using is from Charme. It is so pretty. So I'll have that link down in the description as well. And I do have a 10% off code for Charme. So make sure you use that if you want that 10% off. And I also, of course, have a 30% off code for Madame Glam. That's always down in the description as well. And now you can see I applied the transfer foil. And the nice thing, you can just take the transfer foil and add where you need it to fill in with. And as you can see, I got some up on the pink. I shouldn't have put the foil gel up there, but I did. So I'm just going to wipe it off with some isopropyl alcohol and then it'll be good to go. So once I've done that, I'm going to apply some striping tape. Now I didn't put anything down for the striping tape. Sometimes striping tape is really sticky and this was, so I just applied it and then of course I'm trimming it with the clippers, and you want to make sure you have it just above the base of the nail, otherwise you're going to get that lifting if it's over. So I made sure of that. Now I'm taking a glittery one that she picked and applying that above. It's just really pretty. And same thing again, just want it just above the base, otherwise you'll get lifting on that once you cover it up. So moving on, I'm using that e-nail couture color again, and I'll do 2 coats on this nail. So I'm going to be applying that same glittery striping tape on the middle of this one. So of course I wiped the sticky inhibition layer off with some isopropyl alcohol. Now I'll just stick it down and trim it with my cuticle nippers. Again, just don't want it over the base of the nail or by the cuticle. So I'll make sure it's just below that. So now I'm doing that second nail with Madame Glam's Carabean Sea, and again 2 coats of that. Now my client decided she wanted to try some raw glitter, so that's what we're doing right now. We're just picking it, and it's going to go on top of Madame Glam's Carabean Sea. Now I'm going to be using my Daily Charme rubber base. I just find I have the best results with raw glitter if I put this below it, and of course I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter on top of it, and then once the glitter goes on, I will cure it for 60 seconds. So now on the thumb, she decided she wanted that pretty transfer foil. So we're going to apply Madame Glam's Perfect White and do 2 coats of that. And of course, cure each one for 30 seconds. And then I'll apply my Makartt Transfer Foil Gel again. And then we'll be applying that transfer foil, like I said. I just love how this nail turned out. So when you go to top coat transfer foil, I just want to show you what I do before applying the top coat. You want to just lightly file the edges, because then that top coat has something to grab hold of. And I'm just going to brush the raw glitter because it is done now. So now I'm applying my Amore Sculpt and Shine. With transfer foil, I like to use a thicker top coat, and same with on the striping tape, because then there's no chance of anything chipping or any of that tape coming up. So I'm going to apply it and cure it for 60 seconds once I get it on. So once I was done top coating the nails, she wanted some crystals. So we're using some Swarovski opal crystals, and I just applied some Makartt glue. And now before I do apply the crystals, I wanted to show you, I do buff the nail. I just find it gives a better hold on those crystals. So once my Makartt glue is dried, then I start top coating it with my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. Now the Makartt glue, I'll put the link down in the description so you can find where I got it from. And so I'm gonna go up flush to the crystals, but you definitely don't want to get that top coat on them because they will lose their shine. And once I have those nails that have the crystals top coated, it'll cure for 60 seconds. So this was a really fun summer set to do, just very bright and pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you could like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Thanks, bye.